YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. Click on that link. If you like this item, add it to your cart now. Check out, and they can ship this to you fast. And also see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. But if you like this item, like I said, add it to your cart now and check out. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. Let's go see what's inside. I'm not sure what happened to this box. Look at this. Oh, lordy. Gotta love those Amazon peeps. They know how to package. Boy. Hopefully everything's okay inside. They got enough tape on it. What is that? What is going on here? That's interesting. Looks like a sock. Oh man. What is that? Yeah. That is messed up. Alright, get back in there. What is this thing? Whatever it is, it's not standing still. Oh, it's an organizer. Pens, pencils, markers, maybe scissors. Let me grab some pens and fill it up. Be right back. Alright guys, I got it pretty much filled. But you guys know how these work. You know, just organize it better. But this is just like for the video, so I'm not sure how much I can fit in. But we got pens, markers, Sharpies, you name it. Scissors even. You can just take them out and just leave it as more rooms for pens. But really cool how it swivels. I like that. So definitely nice. Organizer for your pens, pencils, markers, scissors, and whatnot. Especially if you know somebody that's in the arts and crafts and does designs and whatnot. They might appreciate this for as a gift or so. Like I said, click on the link. See what other goodies they have to offer. Maybe they have different styles besides this one. But this one's pretty cool. Swivels and everything. So check it out, YouTubers. Be safe. Have a good day. Take it easy.